For example, here we can observe the results for the carriageway load, specifically for the displacements and rotations at the joints, and whose detailed values are shown in this table. However, it's also possible to observe the resultant forces occurring on each member or beam as a result of this load. Furthermore, by using the Filter Member Selection tool, we can check the results for individual beams. Let's, for example, take a closer look at one of the beams at the center span of the bridge. So by filtering this selection, we can analyze with more ease the internal forces at the member ends, which, worth noting, are by default the type of results that are being requested. Of course, by clicking on this drop-down menu, we can bring up the results for other effects, such as, for example, the bending moments. So from this point forward, we could analyze this beam under the effect of all the different loads that we have applied to this model, including those pertaining to the vehicle loads. But let's carry on.